Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset itel Color Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the power button and now tap to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now listen it really carefully. Now press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and now press the volume up key and release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key. And here you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. You can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. As you can see, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. As you can see, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset itel Color Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the icon for the latest updates.